Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan for those of you that are new, and for my returning kinfolks, what's up? So you guys, in today's video we are just doing some makeup. I was running some errands today, so I felt like I needed some makeup to go with my outfit, so here we are. So let's get into it. You guys know I like to start off by using my orange corrector just so that I could conceal, hide some of those blemishes, those dark marks that I have. Now we're gonna go in with the Ulta Beauty Velvet Matte Foundation. You guys, I have been in love with this foundation since I bought the foundation. I think I told y'all that in one of my previous videos, but I still go straight to this foundation. I really like it. After we apply our foundation, we are going to go in with our concealer, and we are using the Age Rewind concealer. You guys, I know I don't need any age rewinding concealer, but I just like the thickness of this concealer, and I don't really think I meant to pick up the Age Rewind. Maybe it was something else, but anyways, I ended up getting this one, and I'm gonna just try products. I'm gonna see what they do, because I feel like products can be used in more than one way. But anyways, so the Age Rewinder concealer, that is multi-use. We are using that to conceal our face today. Now normally I like blending with the brush, but today I'm gonna use a beauty blender to blend. Y'all, I am not a huge fan of using a beauty blender. I just feel like they be blending things in places where I don't want it to blend things, so I prefer to use a brush because it's more controlled, so I'm able to achieve the look that I want without feeling like things are blended in the areas that they should not be, So after we have blended out our concealer, we're going to go in with our powder, and like I've been doing, I am using the Ulta Beauty foundation powder, mineral powder, to kind of set my face or set my concealer. I feel like when I use the mineral foundation powder, it gives a more natural look instead of the baking and the other powders, just because it's a foundation, so it's meant to go all over the face. And for some reason it's been better color wise when it comes to matching to my concealer or my face, and I like it. So yeah, I kind of would recommend using a mineral powder foundation to set your concealer. Why not, After we have finished setting our concealer, we're going to go in and do our contouring. We are using the Mented bronzer, the Mented Cosmetics bronzer, and I picked this up, I believe, at Target or Walmart, one of those two. But I've really been liking this Mented Cosmetics. It's like a perfect color for me, honestly. It's really a perfect color. So when it comes to a drugstore bronzer, I would go Mented Cosmetics all the way. So listen, if this is not you guys' first time visiting my channel and you haven't already subscribed to become a part of my family, go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also that little bell on the side, just so that you can be notified anytime your girl is putting out content. So yeah, what you waiting for? Okay, you guys, so the palette that we are going to be using is this Juvia's Place palette. I will go ahead and link it in the description box down below, and I'm just gonna let y'all know I don't know any of these colors names that I am using, but I will link it down in the description box down below. So this is just a quick little eyeshadow look for y'all, But I did take that butter brown and I am just going to pop that in my crease line because we are going to be using this color for our transition color. So this is going to give it give our eyeshadow look that soft look. That this is summer, this is spring. I love it. So you guys, I decided to go with this little gold color on the actual eyelid. We are not going to be cutting any creases today, so we are just going to be laying this color directly on our eyelid. But I chose this color honestly because it matches my shoes, and I was just like, yo, this eye color right here with them shoes, it's just gonna make everything just look really good, So if y'all want to see the outfit, if y'all want to see the makeup, how it's all put together, y'all should go look at my Instagram and follow me on Instagram at Dazja Jordan. See, getting y'all hooked up with all of my social medias. So I do want to tell you guys that after I applied that gold, I did go back in with that light brown color that I used in my crease line just to kind of buff out the two colors and make it a very smooth transition. And when I say the two colors, I mean the gold and also that light brown that I used. So I think I forgot to show you guys the palette, but I went back in. Well, I didn't go back in with anything, but I went in with that very chocolatey, the darkest color in the palette, and I just added it to the outer view corner of my eyelid, so the outer corners of my eyelid. So I wanted to just add a little bit of like darkness, just because my outfit for today is black, but I also don't really care to be putting on eyeliner, so I just decided to add eyeshadow here. But anyways, we are going to go in with that light brown color, and we are actually going to put that into our lash line, or not lash line, but underneath our eyes. So try to avoid getting in your lash line, but blend underneath your eye, just so that this look you know, just comes together beautifully, you know. So you guys, I got this mascara from Target, or not Target, but TJ Maxx, and I will have to take you guys on a TJ Maxx makeup haul with me, because that is where I get a lot of my name brand makeup that be low-key, high-key expensive in these stores, but when you go to TJ Maxx or Marshalls, the price be looking right. So I'll have to take y'all on a haul. But that's where I got this mascara from, and I can't remember who this mascara is by, but I know it was $8. I do remember that part, but of course I'll link that in the description box down below. Same with the owner of these lashes. I think these are the same Kiss lashes that I used in my last video, because your girl don't waste lashes. But we are going to go in with some highlighter, and the highlighter that I am using is the Sephora highlighter. I can't remember the name of the highlighter, so of course that'll be in the description box down below as well. But you guys, I like to add this highlighter to the bridge of my nose, my chin, my cupid's bow, my forehead, and of course my cheeks. Of course, adding blush is always an option, and sometimes a look is needed for blush and sometimes a look is not. I don't feel like I need blush for this look, but I definitely want blush. So I am going to be using this blush by Sephora. Yes, I believe this is the Sephora brand blush, the Duo blush, and of course I will link that in the description box down below as well. And to close up this look, we sprayed our Morphe setting spray, and you guys, I actually really love that setting spray. It's not too wet. It's like a real nice mist when you use it. It's nice. That's probably my best, or not my best, but my favorite setting mist. I'll take that. But anyways, you guys, this lip right here, I just used some brown lip liner, and I used that Juvia's Place nude lipstick. I actually did not end up keeping the lip. I did something different. Can't remember what I did, or I would tell you guys, but I would say you can kind of do any kind of lip with this eye, to be honest with you. You can even just throw on some lip gloss and go, if that's what you want to do. But anyways, you guys, I want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and check out other content, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.